Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2021 Matchbox. Today we have the Ice Cream King. My wife literally just brought this home for me and I'm like, oh, I need a Matchbox to do a video. And this is lime green. It says lemon lime juice. Looks like a juice cart instead of a ice cream. And the copyright on here says 2021. That's the first 2021 copyright I've seen all year. Blank right there. You would think that would tell you a little bit about the Ice Cream King. Number 99 of 100 on the year. This is next to the last vehicle released. Alright, let's get it out of the package. See what it's made of. A little fire hydrant. First time I've seen that. This is very, very light. And the green is all plastic, along with the white inside, also plastic. Lemon lime time. So this has a metal bottom. The yellow metal bottom, made in Thailand. Come on. All plastic in the back. Front window. Driver's seat is on the right in this ice cream truck. Alright, let's see how it rolls on the track. Got some play going back and forth here to here. Whoa, backwards it just totally wipes out. Oh, wheelie that time. So if we're gonna play with it, it'll be frontwards on the racquetball. And you can see it's going back and forth, side to side. So it would go slow on a track. This lot. Ice cream tracks from Matchbox are a lot thinner than the Hot Wheels ones. Cool drifting. Not a bad drifter. It's a great looking vehicle, so it's definitely entering the Timmy's 10 Again toy collection. I like the looks of it a lot. Plus I keep ice cream trucks. You never know what neighborhood's going to have a juice truck like this one. When I was growing up, we had ice cream trucks and pizza trucks. Now in my town, we have something, I don't want to promote their truck, but we called them roach coaches. And our taco place is going to have one now. That place just closed, so they can go and do it on the run. In trucks just like these. I guess that cuts out on renting a place, and that's where most of the profits go, is to pay for the rent. Thanks for tuning in and checking it out. And a little disappointed on the plastic lime green. I was hoping that was metal, but all around I think it's a good vehicle. And it's definitely making it into the Timmy's 10 Again toy collection. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 Again. And whoa! T10 out.